Hello and welcome to Coding for Success. In the last video, we learned how to structure web pages with HTML. In this video, we will be learning about how to style and format text with some simple HTML tags. Let's get started. To format text in HTML, we have a few tags that we can use. Strong and B, which make the text bold, I and EM, which italicizes the text, mark, which marks the text, or highlights it, small, which makes the text small, delete, which makes a strike through, insert, which inserts text, sub and super, which subscripts and superscripts text, and BR for break. Now that we know a few of these basic format, now that we know a few of these basic format types, let's test them out. Let's make this bigger. And let's just get some dummy text like lorem ipsum, and we can use this to test out our tags. So the first tag is strong, so let's test that right here. Strong. And then let's close it around this tag. As you can see, the word that the strong tag is around is bolded. Let's also do a B tag over here. As you can see, it's also bolded. Next is EM. And I. Both emphasize, mark, which highlights, small, now let's try delete, and then we'll try insert. And super. As you can see, that's subscripted and superscripted. And that's all you need to know about formatting text with HTML. Oh, actually, we also have to try the BR tag, which is just BR. And that breaks the text into a new paragraph. Those are all of the basics of formatting text with HTML, and I will see you in the next video.